Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
The secret to a perfect grilled hot dog truly begins with a little preparation, even before it touches the grates. Letting your hot dogs come to room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes before cooking helps them heat evenly all the way through, preventing a cold center. Simultaneously, make sure your grill grates are sparkling clean. This simple step ensures nothing sticks, giving you those beautiful, signature grill marks without any fuss. It sets the stage for a truly enjoyable cooking experience. For hot dogs that are perfectly cooked and bursting with juice, mastering your grill heat is essential. The best technique involves setting up a two-zone fire. This means having one side of your grill with high direct heat, ideal for a quick sear, and the other side with medium indirect heat, perfect for gentle, even cooking. Aim for an overall grill temperature of around 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This setup provides the flexibility you need to cook hot dogs slowly and then give them that fantastic finish, ensuring they don't dry out. With your grill expertly set up, it is time to start cooking. Place your hot dogs over the indirect heat zone first. This allows them to warm through gently without burning, ensuring they cook evenly from the inside out. Remember to turn them frequently, about every minute or so they develop a beautiful, uniform color all around. Once they are warmed through and plump, move them briefly to the direct heat side for a quick sear. This creates those appealing grill marks and adds a delicious smoky flavor. Knowing when your hot dogs are perfectly done is key to achieving that satisfying snap and juicy interior. Look for a slight char on the outside, a plump appearance, and a firm texture when gently squeezed. They should also expand slightly and have a lovely light golden brown color all around. This typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes total, depending on their thickness. The most crucial tip is to avoid overcooking them. This will dry them out and diminish their wonderful flavor, so keep a close eye. Once your hot dogs have reached that peak of perfection, it is time for the best part, serving and savoring. Carefully transfer them directly from the grill to your favorite warm buns. Now comes the fun part. Piling on your favorite condiments and toppings, whether it is classic ketchup and mustard, relish, onions, or something more adventurous. There is nothing quite like the simple pleasure of a perfectly cooked, smoky, and juicy grilled hot dog, so go ahead and enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.